Look at this chunky thing. Don't you just love it? I'd share my chocolate piece with you, but I don't think I could cut it 10,000 different ways. Maybe next time. Hey guys, I'm sitting down here to do page 79 in my 100 Days of Journaling Happy Mail. I never can remember how to say that without thinking. And I did this page yesterday, page 78, and I really love it. It's really cute. So I'll show you real quick, just in case the video doesn't go up. But I thought what I would do today for 79, I kept the same supplies out that I used for page 78, and I want to go back to this flower paper. And you know I love flowers, so I'm going to use the flowers again. And this time, instead of making them into a funky bird, chicken, person thing, I'm going to use them as flowers because I really like them and I really want to use them as flowers. So I thought I'd just turn the camera on and let you watch the process if you wanted to. So thanks for being here, and I will see you at the end of the video. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I could keep playing around, but I think I'm gonna be done. Tripod's in the way. It's hard to put the book up there. So it went a little different than I anticipated once I started, but I like how it turned out. It makes me happy. Got some flowers in for the day. Can't ask for anything better than that. I've signed it, and hope you enjoyed watching the process. So I will see you again soon. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.